Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this party fried rice. Like, this is occasional fried rice. If you have a wedding, if you have like get together party or any events coming up and you think you want to make a beautiful delicious fried rice, this is it. Like, this is the right choice of fried rice for you. So guys, if you want to see how I made it, if you want to see the process of this delicious fried rice, then keep on watching. So guys, in an empty pot I'm going to be adding both hard and softer chicken, and after that I'm going to be adding all the necessary ingredients I'm going to use to cook the meat. So here I added some parsley, and next I added chicken stock. Next I added meat seasoning, and next I added Maggi, and I added salt. So here I added thyme. You can't make fried rice without thyme. So now I just added both garlic and ginger, blended ones, and here I added onions. So here I added bay leaves. I'm adding cayenne pepper, and after that I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for 10 minutes without adding water. And after 10 minutes you can see the pots. So the chicken has released its water. So after that I'm going to be adding some water. I don't want to add too much, so because we are going to use the water to make our rice later. So guys, after 25 minutes I'm getting out the softer chicken, leaving the harder one to cook for more 10 minutes. So guys, in this pot I'm going to be adding my pre-washed rice, and I'm going to allow it to cook only 5 minutes. Review on this rice is coming soon. You want to know this type of rice. So after like 5 minutes, I don't want it to cook more than that. And I wash the rice with cold water to stop the cooking process. So here I'm going to be getting the hard chicken out. So after that I'm going to get the chicken ready. As you can see how they look, and they are ready to go in the oven for broiling. So guys, the next thing we do is to sieve the chicken stock, and yeah, you want your fried rice to be bright, you want it to be colorful. Yeah, that's what we are doing here. I'm going to sieve it and make sure I get every liquid I want out of it. So guys, all we need here is just the water. You don't want your fried rice to have dull color. You want it to be bright and you know, just to avoid any bones as well. So yeah, that's why we're doing that. So after that, I'm going to pour it back inside the pot, and I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water. And after that, I'm going to add tiny bit of salt. I don't really like using too much salt, as some of the spices contains salt. So guys, the next thing I do is to add curry, and after that I'm going to stir and make sure everything is properly combined. So here I'm just adding back our washed rice. So after that, I'm going to stir, and I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes. So in an empty frying pan, I'm going to be adding extra virgin olive oil. Not really too much, just as you can see the amount I added. And after that, I'll just leave it to heat up a little bit, and I'm going to be adding my onion. Yeah guys, after that I'm going to stir. You want to make sure you cut your onion very tiny. So here we are using prawn. This is king size prawn. I like using prawn to make my fried rice, and when you're doing occasional fried rice, you need to use something like prawn. So guys, this will give it rich taste and rich look as well. So after that, I just added my mixed vegetable, and I'm adding them bit by bit because I don't want to add too much. So I'm just adding bit by bit until I'm satisfied. So yeah, so guys, after like 10 to 12 minutes, I'm going to check the rice, and here I'm going to cover it with this non-stick baking paper, and I'm going to leave it to cook for more 8 to 10 minutes. So after that, I'll just keep checking my vegetables. So guys, after that, I'm going to add mixed bell peppers. And after that, I added ginger and garlic. So here I'm adding scotch bonnet. So guys, here I'm adding chicken stock, just a little bit. And after that, I'm adding Maggi. You can add any Maggi of your choice. And I'm giving it a good stir. So guys, these spices are going to infuse itself into the vegetable, and both fried rice and vegetables are gonna taste just amazing. So after like 10 minutes, I'm going to check my rice, and here you go. Guys, you really want to know this type of rice I'm using here, but don't worry, I'm going to make a review on it. So guys, I'm going to give it a good stir, and after that I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook like 3 to 4 minutes, just to steam finally. You don't want to overcook it. Remember, it's fried rice. So after like 3 to 4 minutes. Our rice is done. Guys, this rice is really good. Very good. You can see how the rice turned out. So guys, you can see our rice is done, like done. As you can see, so here I just tested to see if it's ready, and yeah, just how I want it, and it's just perfect. And our rice is okay, so I just remove it from the cooker. And here my vegetable is done too. You don't want it super soft, so it's good, you know, and tender, but not, you know, so soft. So guys, here I'm just transferring the rice into a bigger bowl. You can see how I'm doing this, and this will allow me to, you know, mix it properly. So what I was doing here is to add some rice and add some vegetable, and I will stir. Add some rice and vegetable and I stir. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be doing basically until I finish. Believe me, this rice tasted amazing. Like, I wish I can give you guys some of it for you guys to taste. It's really you know, yummy, so delicious. You want to try this? Let me know if you try it just using this method. It's really good. I just wanted to show you guys a closer look just to see how it turned out. Guys, this is really nice. It's just nothing but the best. So here I'm just storing my leftover vegetable. You can see. So guys, this is the chicken. Everything is done. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you your wedding fried rice. Traditional marriage, white wedding, court marriage, occasional get together party, like seasonal fried rice. Any event you have and you want to make delicious, good looking fried rice, this is it. Like, this is the best. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like it, because we enjoyed this rice. My hubby enjoyed it so well, and yeah, I loved it as well, and my kids loved it too. The rice tasted amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you use this method, and yeah, I will really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel as well, and tap on the notification bell. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys.